Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the recruitment pipeline template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the settings page. This page allows you to set up and update department lists and steps lists. Let's add a new department. We'll call purchasing. Perfect. Moving on to the positions tab. This is where we set up the list of open positions, the department they belong to, and the date it was first opened. Let's add a new one. We'll select our newly created department, Purchasing, and set up an opening date, the 1st of Feb. Great. Let's go into the recruitment database. This is the main data input section where we enter the list of candidates and their corresponding information. Let's add a new one together. Awesome, we're ready to start visualizing. Let's click on the pipeline section. First, we'll hit the refresh button to ensure the latest data is being shown. Perfect. The pipeline section is a sort of Kanban board that groups candidate by application status and allows you to filter by position, department, and step. Moving on to the weekly calendar section. This helps you track the candidate's application week by week. You can select the week you want to visualize, and filter the data by position, department, and step. Finally, the dashboard. This is an overview of the recruitment pipeline, where the header indicates the total number of candidates by stages: sourced, applied, phone screen, interview, test phase, offer, and hired. The processes by department indicates the total number of candidates per department. The processes by position indicates the number of candidates by position. The processes by period indicate the candidates per month, and processes by duration indicates the average number of days a candidate is active. Finally, the placement rate indicates the percentage of candidates hired. The slicers on the side allow you to filter the dashboard data by step, department, position, or date. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about the recruitment pipeline template, and you're ready to start using it now. Enjoy!